Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes not stick to the pan. Preheat the pan over medium heat and test with a drop of batter to check temperature. Use a thin coat of oil or butter and let it shimmer before pouring batter. Give pancakes space and wait until bubbles form and edges set before flipping, then flip gently for consistent, clean release every time. Start with a batter that holds its shape but still spreads, and avoid overmixing to keep pancakes tender. Measure batter portions so each pancake cooks evenly and flips at the same time. Maintain medium heat and adjust slightly if pancakes brown too fast or stick. Use a thin spatula and slide it fully beneath the pancake before flipping to reduce tearing and sticking while keeping a steady, calm rhythm at the stove. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you cook because it's leak-proof, easy to hold, and keeps drinks cold. I use it at the stove to sip between flips, and it saved many breakfasts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose the right pan and tools to reduce sticking and make cooking easier. Non-stick or well-seasoned cast iron pans release pancakes reliably when heated properly, and a thin spatula helps lift without damage. Wipe out burnt crumbs between batches and reapply a tiny amount of oil if needed. Keep a consistent batter size and heat, and practice gentle flips to build confidence and achieve fluffy, unbroken pancakes every morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.